Hi friends, let me show you this double-sided 3M tape that I received for reviewing purposes. You get 3 rolls of different widths. Let me show you. 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch, and 1 inch width, okay? All of them are 10 feet long, okay? This is an original 3M product. You can use them to fix a lot of things in your car, in your office, in your tool room, in your home. You can use it to fix lights, pictures, frames, whatever you want. We are going to use it to fix this key holder in our office, to have all the stuff, to have the correspondence and keys here. So let me show you. We are going to use the 1 inch width one. As you can see, we are ready to install it. Let's go. So we're ready. This is our double-sided tape, the 3M, and we're going to use it to put this key holder and correspondence here in the in the entrance of our office. Okay, some envelopes like this. So this double-sided tape, it's really good adherence. You can start using your accessories immediately. Perfect.